Hey y'all, it's your girl Victoria Armani, and I'm coming to you with a Valentine's Day inspired look. I wanted to do something a little bit more realistic for myself, so I decided to do a brown glossy eyelid. It's a Jayda Cheaves inspired look, and if you want to see how I got from this here to a I feel like a very sultry look, then definitely just keep on watching. I'm going to start off with my brows first, already done, and then we're going to move on to eyes.
Feels so nice with time. I know how to make me feel right. I can't.
And as you can already tell, my eyebrows are already done. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to my Juvia's Place of Chocolates palette here and go in with the medium tone brown first. I'm placing that brown shade all over my crease and my lid as well, and then I'm going to take a darker brown, a more cool tone brown, and use that to smoke out my lash line, and then we can go ahead and go on from there.
Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it, see how. Rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice, I can't help got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way, I'm pulling up, don't be late, I'm cutting through all the lanes, sweet talk, you need to say less to me, no need for no flowers, babe, I'm already on my way.
And now moving on to my face, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I love this primer just simply because it works for every skin type, and it just makes it more, your skin a little bit more tacky, so your foundation really adheres to it. I'm going to put a little bit of my Tatcha Silk Canvas on as well, because I feel as though it makes my skin so smooth. And for my foundations, I'm going to be mixing two. I'm going to use my MAC Face and Body in N9. And I use that one because it has a nice sheer coverage, but it's more of a red undertone. And then I'm going in with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the color 14. And that one's more cool tone. And I mix those together using a little bit of my Chanel liquid highlighter. And it literally gives my skin an absolutely beautiful glow and like the perfect amount of coverage, and I love it.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma.
Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in 53S Deep Sand. And I love this concealer. I'm going to be highlighting under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, above my lip and chin. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out.
When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed?
And to set my under eye concealer, I did just use a little bit of my Dermablend Original Translucent Setting Powder, and I'll have everything linked down below so you can know exactly which one I use, but it's just the one with no color, because I don't like to add any extra color on top of my highlights. So yeah.
When we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean.
And I went ahead and put some lashes on off camera, and I love how these look. And then also I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with some MAC Studio Fix powder and put a little bit of gel liner on my waterline. And then, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of the face.
And knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress and gone. Flex and hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure.
Now for my favorite part, I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, blush, and highlighter. I feel like this trio just makes your look come together tenfold. I promise you. I'm using a Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami, and the blush I'm going to be using today is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't used this blush in like a year, but I decided to reach for it today, and I'm so happy I did. It's so beautiful and peachy and very soft for this look. And then as far as highlighter, I'm going to be using my NARS St. Barb's highlighter. It's a nice, I'm not really into the really shimmery, sparkly, glittery highlighters anymore. I like a nice subtle highlighter, so that's what I went for today, nice and soft. And now for the star of the show, I'm going to go in with my Morphe Face and Eye Gloss. And this look, the gloss really brought the look together and really made it Jayda Cheaves inspired. She loves rocking the glossy eyes. And I was like, let me try something a little different, a little sultry, sexy, glam for Valentine's Day. But I needed like a little oomph, a little something different, a little spice, a little kick. So I decided to make it look glossier. And I'm just patting it in, but I loved it, y'all. I really did like it. And I'm definitely going to be doing this again soon. And now for my lip combination today, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place lip pencil in the shade Cola. I'm also going to apply a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape concealer on my lips just to kind of make it a little bit brighter and kind of blank it out a little bit. And then I'm going to put a Chanel lip gloss right on top, and the look is absolutely complete. I absolutely love this look. I feel like it was very grown and sexy. Like, don't get me wrong, I love my reds, my glitter, my glam, the pink, the hearts, all that good stuff. But like, I feel as though I'm turning 25 this year, so I want to be sexy, grown and sexy, very subtle, but still very much so glam. And I was absolutely in love with this look, and I hope you guys liked it too. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below and let me know what makeup look you do for Valentine's Day. I feel like this one was very easy and I really loved it. I had my heart earrings on, so I was like ready to go. So and what do y'all do on Valentine's Day? Let me know down below. I want to know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video. And I will see you guys in the next one, and happy early Valentine's Day. Bye y'all.